A'udhu billahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the early days of Islam, when the Prophet Muhammad was receiving revelations from Allah SWT, during this time some commands in the Quran replaced earlier ones, and this raised questions, particularly from disbelievers and critics. Surah Al Baqarah verse 106 ما ننسخ من آية أو ننسها نأتي بخير منها أو مثلها ألم تعلم أن الله على كل شيء قدير. In this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, if we ever abrogate a verse or cause it to be forgotten, we replace it with a better or similar one. Do you not know that Allah is most capable of everything? At first, the Muslims used to pray with the faces turned towards the Bayt al-Maqdis, Jerusalem. Later, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded them to turn toward the Kaaba. Similarly, certain other commands were abrogated altogether or replaced by others. They claim that these changes were made by the Prophet Muhammad himself and not by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nauzubillah. They argued that if everything that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed was good, as the Muslim affirmed, why should one command be replaced by another? The purpose of this was to sow the seed of doubt in the hearts of the Muslim. The word nansakh, it comes from the root letter nun sin kha nask. Nask include three things. First, both words and command are cancelled out and another verse is brought. Secondly, the recitation or the words are removed but the command is still there. Third, command is cancelled, verse is still there. The other form of nask mentioned in this verse is nun siha from the root letter nun sin ya. Sometimes Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made the Prophet and his companions forget a certain verse altogether.